you read the text? The text about Babar Ali, right? First of all, the first page, the first paragraph. Give me a second. Everybody was on time today? Even I'm on time. Babar Ali. He is 16 years old and a head teacher. Again, do you see shouting sentence exclamation mark? Line and a dot. A line and a dot means a shouting sentence. It means you don't say this sentence with normal emotions. You say this sentence with extra emotions. He's 16 years old and a head teacher. Like this. Babar Ali, he's 16 years old and a head teacher. Oh, please come in quickly, quickly. Oh my goodness. Silly children. My nephew is so silly. Come and sit here, beta. Babar Ali comes from West Bengal in India. Babar Ali comes from West Bengal in India. He comes from West Bengal. Babar Ali come from or comes from? Why not come from? Because with he, she, and it, we use S with the verb. So we cannot say Babar Ali come. We must say Babar Ali comes. So this rule I have explained maybe 10 times, maybe more already. And I think it should be in your mind forever. When the subject is he, she, or it, then the verb must have an S to it. The last letter of the verb will be S. Babar Ali comes from West Bengal in India. वहां का रहने वाला है. He is 16 years old and lives. Who lives? Babar Ali lives. Now you understand S again. Babar Ali lives in the small village of Bhavta. In the small village of Bhavta. Hindi kariye. In the small village of Bhavta. Hindi. खाली phrase का in the small village of Bhavta.
वो एक स्मॉल विलेज में रहता है भापटा के.
खुशी ने कहा भावटा के छोटे से विलेज में. भावटा के छोटे से विलेज में. डू यू अग्री? भावटा के छोटे से गांव में. देन
वो छोटे से गांव भापटा में रहता है.
क्या बात है. I would like to show you this girl here. She's just 10 years old. She got it right, Khushi. She got it right. You didn't get it right, but she got it right. You know, when you have the right environment, language learning becomes so easy for you as a kid. And when you become a grown up, when you become an adult, 16, 17, 18 and all, things become very complicated. Learning a new language becomes difficult. In the small village of Bhavta means he lives in a village and that village is called Bhavta. That village is called Bhavta. The name of the village is Bhavta. Bhavta के गांव में नहीं भाई. Bhavta is the village. Bhavta is the village. Bhavta ही है वो गांव. Bhavta के गांव में नहीं. Bhavta is the village. जीरादेई नाम के गांव में पैदा हुए थे राजेंद्र प्रसाद. Rajendra Prasad was born in the village of Jiradai. He was born in the village of Jiradai. Jiradai was the village in the district Saran. Sivan Saran. Okay, I'm not sure what it was. I think it was Sivan Saran. Okay, sorry about that. If they are different. So he lives in the small village of Bhavta. He lives in a small village. It is called Bhavta. The village is called Bhavta. Yes. Everybody, confusion clear? हाँ जी. दिव्यांशु क्या कर रहे हो? बताओ मैंने क्या पढ़ाया अभी? हाँ, और उस गांव में कौन जादूगर रहता है? बाबर अली. And he is not a jadugar, he is a teacher. Okay, I is there. Some children will learn how to balance their
Good evening,
attention
sir.
between the teacher and the book. Good evening, Aarti. How to balance your attention between the teacher and the book. You have to give your attention to me, and you also need to keep an eye on the book. You need to look at the book too, and you need to listen to me. Both the things simultaneously. Simultaneously means sat sat. It's not easy for some children. Sometimes you have to look at the book, sometimes you have to listen to me, look at me, okay? So he lives in the small village of Bhavta. तुम बताओ, तुम अपने बारे में बताओ, बोलो I live in the village of XYZ, बोलो अपने बारे में. I live, lives नहीं, क्योंकि lives किसके लिए है? He, she, it के लिए, I के लिए नहीं है. ये बात दिमाग में डालो. देखा, 10 बार सुनने के बाद भी 11वीं बार वो गलत कर रहा है. आई लिव्स, क्योंकि यहाँ लिव्स लिखा है. ये लिव्स किस वजह से है? क्योंकि आगे है बाबर अली, मतलब ही. जब सब्जेक्ट होगा ही, शी, इट, तो हम लोग एस यूज करेंगे वर्ब में, नहीं तो नहीं करेंगे. बोलो आई. You live in a village called Jagatpur. Okay. He comes from a village called Jagatpur. इस तरीके से कैसे बोलेंगे जो यहाँ से यहाँ लिखा है? I live in the village of Jagatpur. I live in the village of Jagatpur. This boy, Divyanshu, lives in the village of Jagatpur. And anybody else? Divya, तुम बताओ. Tell me. हिंदी मुश्किल है क्या? बताओ. नासिर हुसैन. You live in the village of Koiri Bigha. He lives in the village of Koiri Bigha. Okay. Good. Fine. And I live in the state of Bihar. I live in the state of Bihar. Because Bihar is not it is a state. I live in the city of Bihar Sharif. I live in the. This guy lives in the small village of Bhavta. Bhavta is a small village. His village doesn't have a school. His village doesn't have a school. Bihar Sharif doesn't have a school. Huh. Bihar Sharif has a lot of schools, right? Bihar Sharif has a lot of schools. But his village doesn't have a school. Bihar Sharif doesn't have a nightclub. Bihar Sharif. And Bihar Sharif doesn't have an airport. Bihar Sharif doesn't have an airport. No, it doesn't have an airport. His village doesn't have a school. But Babar is lucky. Why? Because he goes to a private school in the next village. His school costs 1,000 rupees. His school costs 1,000 rupees. Yes, his school costs 1,000 rupees, which is 12 pounds a year. 1,000 rupees a month? No. His school doesn't cost. देखा मैंने नेगेटिव कर दिया. क्या लिखा है? His school costs. नेगेटिव कैसे करना है? His
Doesn't
school
cost.
doesn't cost. Goes का नेगेटिव doesn't go. Eats का नेगेटिव doesn't eat.
doesn't
Cost
it
का नेगेटिव
Doesn't eat.
doesn't cost. खुशी समझना
Doesn't
बेटा. His school doesn't cost 1,000 rupees a month. His school doesn't cost 1,000 rupees a month. Yes. His school costs 1,000 rupees a year. Is it very expensive? Is it very
No,
expensive?
no,
This
it
is
isn't.
too expensive. But this is too expensive for many children in Babar's village. This is too expensive for many children in Babar's village. This is too expensive for many children in Babar's village. It means Babar's village has a lot of rich children. No, no, his village doesn't have rich children. His village has poor children. It's a poor village. The people are poor. They can't pay 1,000 rupees a year. They can't afford it. They can't afford it.
Afford it.
Can't afford 1,000 rupees a year. Imagine a school in Biharshiv, 1,000 rupees a year. Everybody can afford it here. Everybody will say 1,000 rupees a year. Yeah, yeah, no problems. I can pay it. I can pay it. I can afford it. No problems. But they want to learn. This is too expensive. Too expensive. This is not only expensive. This is, देखो TOO2 कब लगाना? जब लगे कितना ज्यादा हो गया कि काम नहीं होगा, काम नहीं बनेगा, गड़बड़ा जाएगा मैटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डू यू वॉन्ट sugar in your tea? Do you want sugar in your tea? You want sugar in your tea? Do you like tea without sugar? No. But if I add 100 grams of sugar in 1 cup of tea, will you drink it? Hey,
No.
this is too sweet. इतना ज्यादा हो गया, काम गड़बड़ा गया. Right? This is, you like sweet tea, but you don't like tea which is too sweet. तो complain कर सकते हैं. This tea is, it's not a compliment, it's a complaint. शिकायत कर रहे हैं भाई. The tea is
Too sweet.
too sweet. अच्छा बताओ, एक लड़के ने कहा था क्लास इज टू क्राउडेड. खुश है कि कंप्लेन कर रहा है?
Complain.
कंप्लेन कर रहा है. द क्लास इज टू
Too crowded.
क्राउडेड. जरूरत से ज्यादा भीड़ है क्लास में हो. द क्लास इज टू क्राउडेड. सर के बारे में अच्छा बोल रहा है, बुरा बोल रहा है? सर इज टू फ्रेंडली.
अच्छा.
बक अच्छा नहीं है. अभी बताया था
They are
TOO2
too
ले गए,
friendly.
इतना जाए कि जहां मामला बिगड़ जाए. ज्यादा होते होते अच्छा चीज भी ज्यादा होता है तो बिगड़ जाता है मामला. सर
Yes.
इज टू फ्रेंडली. इट्स अ कंप्लेन. इट्स नॉट अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अच्छी बात नहीं बोली जा रही है ये. और आप बता रहे हैं उसको टीचर फ्रेंडली पसंद है, लेकिन सर ज्यादा
इतना ज्यादा
फ्रेंडली हो जाते हैं हो. अंडरस्टैंड? द टीचर इज टू
too
फ्रेंडली.
friendly.
तो भैया ने एक लड़की का फोटो रिजेक्ट कर दिया. नहीं, नहीं करना है इससे शादी, बिकॉज शी इज too beautiful. Too beautiful. She is too
Too
beautiful.
beautiful.
सर वो ज्यादा सुंदर न चाहिए सर. Got it? Yes. Look, I have saved a chair for you. This is the route. Yeah. Steer your car properly. Yeah, and get here. कुछ मजा आया सीख के? भैया ने लड़की रिजेक्ट कर दी. क्या कह के?
Too
She is
beautiful. He is too
too
beautiful.
beautiful. तो इतना ज्यादा हो गया कि बात खराब हो जाए, अच्छा चीज भी खराब हो जाए. लेकिन एक लाइन बोलचाल में लोग बोलते हैं, पीपल ऑफन से दिस लाइन, टू गुड यार, टू गुड. ये बोलने के लिए ठीक ठाक है, लेकिन कोई मतलब नहीं बनता इसका. तुम TOO2 से तारीफ कर ही नहीं सकते. अच्छी चीज भी बोलो खराब हो जाएगी. शी इज टू ब्यूटिफुल. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मैरी हर. आई एम रिजेक्टिंग हर, व्हाई? शी इज टू ब्यूटीफुल फॉर मी। टेंशन में रहेंगे, कितनी सुंदर लड़की, मेरे से क्यों शादी की है, राइट? शी इज टू ब्यूटीफुल फॉर मी, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मैरी हर, नो। ओके, डू यू गाइज वांट टॉल गर्ल्स? आपको अच्छी लड़कियां, लंबी लड़कियां पसंद है ना? तो एक फोटो आया, लेकिन आपने रिजेक्ट मार दिया, नहीं नहीं नहीं, शी इज ले।
Too low.
You wanted a tall girl, but then you're rejecting her because
Too
what
tall.
do you mean? अरे
She is
यार समझ जाते हो कि मामला खराब हो गया, वहां चली गई हाइट उसकी, राइट? शी इज टू टॉल,
too tall.
दैट्स द पॉइंट। You are laughing a lot. What's sorry? Now it happens. Have you not heard boys rejecting girls because she is too tall for me? Okay, maybe not too tall for other people, but too tall for me. I hope you enjoyed learning the use of TOO2. मजा आया ये सीख के?
Yes, sir.
TOO, ठीक है। ठंडी चाय पसंद है आपको? तो फिर
No.
आप पी क्यों नहीं रहे हैं? इट इज टू हॉट। अच्छा
Too
लगता है, गरम चाय पसंद है, लेकिन यार ये तो मुंह जल जाएगा, राइट? दिस इज टू हॉट, द टी इज।
hot.
तो TOO2 कैन नॉट बी यूज टू से समथिंग इज गुड। You only use TOO2 to complain that something is bad. Even if you are saying something good, घरवा में बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है, इस क्लास में ना बहुत दिक्कत है, बड़ा क्लास लेना है। आइए ना सर, दिखाते हैं, क्लासरूम बहुत बड़ा है, आइए। अरे यार नो, दिस क्लासरूम इज टू बिग, अंडरस्टैंड? You wanted a big classroom, but no, not this one, because this is
Too
too
big.
big. Any problems, anyone? No? Okay. So will you say Vinay sir is too friendly? मत बोलना,
No.
तारीफ नहीं होगी ये, ओके? इट्स अ शिकायत, इट्स अ कंप्लेंट। Vinay sir is too friendly. If you find me smoking with somebody, then you can say sir is too friendly, he smokes with his students, okay? Don't worry, you will not find me doing that. I only smoke alone. Actually, I don't smoke. Okay, next. This is too expensive for many children in Babar's village. This is too expensive for many children in Babar's village. Children क्यों? Children's क्यों नहीं? Children's S क्यों नहीं लगा? Children's.
Children
Children
already.
is already
Children.
plural.
Children.
Singular is child.
Child.
Child is singular.
Child.
Plural is children.
Children.
They they can't afford it. This is too expensive. But they want to learn. But they who? The
Bab.
students, the children in Babar's village, the poor children. They want to, but they want to learn. But they want to, लेकिन वो चाहते हैं क्या? सीखना। They want to learn. तो यहाँ टू लर्न को वर्ब मत समझना, पता है ना, पढ़ाया मैंने तुम्हें कुछ दिन पहले। क्या है ये? नाउन इक्विवेलेंट है ना बेटा? तो ही नाउन इक्विवेलेंट होते हैं। वर्ब नाउन जैसा हो जाता है अगर आईएनजी फॉर्म में हो तो, या TO2 प्लस V1 लिखा हो तो। आई वॉन्ट, मैं चाहता हूं क्या? कौन सी चीज चाहता हूं? आई वॉन्ट टू स्लीप, सोना चाहता हूं। आई वॉन्ट टू स्पीक, बोलना चाहता हूं। कोई चीज चाहता हूं, कौन सी चीज चाहता हूं? बोलना। तो यहां बोलना जो है ग्रामर के सेंस में क्या है? नाउन इक्विवेलेंट है, नाउन इक्विवेलेंट है। क्योंकि आप चाहते हैं तो आप कोई चीज चाहेंगे, तो चीज का नाम तो आप डायरेक्ट लिख दीजिए, आई वॉन्ट कॉफी, आई वॉन्ट चॉकलेट, आई वॉन्ट स्टूडेंट्स, आई वॉन्ट मनी, आई वॉन्ट सक्सेस। ये सब नाउन्स हैं, सारे क्या हैं? आई वॉन्ट सक्सेस, आई वॉन्ट मनी, आई वॉन्ट गोलगप्पा, आई वॉन्ट चॉकलेट, आई वॉन्ट आइसक्रीम, दीज आर ऑल नाउन्स। लेकिन हमको ये सब नहीं चाहिए, हमको 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 क्या चाहिए भाई? सोना चाहिए, मतलब हम सोएंगे, वो वाला सोना नहीं, गोल्ड वाला नहीं। आई वॉन्ट टू स्लीप। तो ये टू स्लीप भी क्या है? नाउन इक्विवेलेंट। नाउन नहीं है लेकिन नाउन के बराबर है। तो वर्ब को नाउन, ऐसे स्लीप मतलब सोना होता है, लेकिन हम आई वांट स्लीप नहीं बोल सकते, क्या बोलेंगे?
I want to
क्योंकि
sleep.
उसको नाउन के बराबर बनाना है ना? आई वांट टू स्लीप. एनी प्रॉब्लम्स? ओके. सो दे वांट टू लर्न. They want to learn. Yes. So, Babar teaches them everything. Monu bhaiya, you have to go out. Wash your face and come back soon. Okay? Don't take 1 year to come back. Yeah. So, Babar teaches them everything. Babar teaches them everything. Babar teaches them everything that he learns at school. Babar teaches them everything that he learns at school. Babar teaches them everything that he learns at
Learn
school.
at school.
Whatever he learns, whatever he learns, he teaches. He teaches everything that he learns. जो कुछ भी सीखता है वो
पढ़ाता है.
पढ़ा देता है आके. He teaches them everything that he learns.
Yes.
He goes to school, he learns something there, he comes and he teaches them everything that he learns. हर चीज जो वो सीखता है वो सिखा देता है, और हम हर चीज जो मम्मी बनाती खा लेते हैं. I eat everything that my mother cooks. I eat everything that my mother cooks. Next. I like everything you teach. I like everything that
Everything
you.
teach.
आप जो कुछ ही पढ़ाते ना, हर चीज मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I like everything that you teach.
Teach.
ये लाइन सुनो. I have everything that you have. I have everything that
Everything
you
that
have.
you have.
मतलब समझ में आ गया?
Yes,
I
sir.
have everything that you have. बोलो इसका मतलब. इसको कुछ समझ नहीं आया होगा, मैं पक्का बता रहा हूँ. बोलो
तो
इसका
सब
मतलब
कुछ
क्या
मेरे
है?
पास है जो तुम्हारे पास है.
Do you have a wife? Okay, go ahead. Aarti said that. मेरे पास वो सब कुछ है, आपके पास. बोलो I have everything that you have.
You have.
क्या हुआ इसका मतलब? हाँ पक्का. Do you have a bank account? No. Do you have a bike? No. See, you don't have everything that I have. Understand? But you understood the sentence. Well done. She did a good job. She understood the sentence. Divyanshu, do you have everything that I have? Now, for example, what don't you have? And a wife. A wife. I have a
Brother.
wife. You don't have a wife, right? Yeah. And I have so many students. You don't have even one student, right? You don't have everything that I have. So guys, everything that, ध्यान दीजिएगा, everything that,
That.
a wife is complaining, my husband is so mean. My husband is so mean. I do everything that he says, but he never appreciates me. I do everything that he says. I do everything that he says, but he doesn't appreciate me. He doesn't appreciate me. कभी नहीं अच्छा बोलता मेरे को कि हाँ अच्छा की. I do everything that he says. Hindi? I do everything that he says. Does your mummy or papa say this line? I buy everything that you want. Does your mummy say this to you? I buy you everything that you want.
Want.
Do you hear this line? Do you hear this line? I buy you everything that you want. I buy you everything that you want. जो तुम कहते हो खरीद देते हैं हम हर चीज, right? Okay. He teaches them everything that he learns. I will teach you everything that I know. I will teach you everything that I know. Everything that, everything that. यहाँ फॉर्मूला दिमाग में खाली everything that जाना चाहिए, okay? I will teach you everything that you want to learn. I will teach
Why?
you everything that you want to learn. मैं आपको वो हर चीज बढ़ाऊंगा, सिखाऊंगा जो आप सीखना चाहते हैं. I will teach you everything that you want to learn. In our shop, we have everything that you want to buy. In our shop, we have everything that you want to buy. मेरे किसी बात को एक सेकंड के लिए भी जाने मत देना. मैं इतनी मेहनत कर रहा हूं आपके लिए, ऐसे ही नहीं. आपको क्या लगा ये सब सेंटेंस मैं आपके लिए बोल रहा हूं कि ऐसी मस्ती के लिए बोल रहा हूं? आपके लिए, ताकि आप इन सारे सेंटेंसेस से धीरे धीरे कंफर्टेबल होते जाएं. ये चीज किसी टीचर के दिमाग में नहीं आती है कि भाई कोई चीज सिखाना है तो आप 15 सेंटेंसेस बोलोगे वैसे, तो बच्चे उसमें कुछ पैटर्न गौर करने लग जाएंगे, क्योंकि सबके यहाँ पर क्या है, एक कंप्यूटर है. आप क्या चाहते हो, एक सेंटेंस लिख दो और उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन दो. तुम क्यों दोगे, वो खुद समझ जाएंगे. यहाँ क्या है, एक है प्रोसेसर बैठा हुआ. अगर ये ना होता, तुम भैंस को, चिंपैंजीज को, गाय को बैठा कर सिखा दो, मैं मान जाऊंगा कि तुम्हारे एक्सप्लेनेशन में वैल्यू है. Explanation doesn't matter. You have to bring a lot of examples for the learners. When the teacher realizes this, they will be a lot more successful than now. I realized it many years ago. At first, I also taught one rule, two examples. One rule, two examples. But now I just keep giving, and students start to appreciate. Even in class 4 and 5, children love it. They say, sir, there is one sentence in the book, but you say 4, 5 sentences. I asked them, do you like it? They said, yes, sir, because they are getting to listen to so many sentences. And many of my students understand English that I speak. They benefit from it. This girl is here. She goes to a wonderful school, a very expensive school. I don't want to mention the name here. Okay? She goes to an expensive school. But the school says to her, you need to improve your English. Outside the class? Why? You can do it at school as well. ये बात अलग है कि आपने यहाँ ज्वाइन कर लिया, ठीक है. अब मैं बोलूँ तुम्हारी इंग्लिश ठीक नहीं है, तुम्हारी इंग्लिश ठीक नहीं, तुम लोग सीख के आओ, थोड़ा सा बेहतर करके आओ. तो फिर मैं किस लिए हूं भाई, तुम मेरे पास क्यों आए? You know what I mean? इतना भी नीचे नहीं है. Do you think this girl is that bad? You noticed yesterday the way she spoke, right? Is she a poor girl? Is she bad at English? I'm pretty sure you are one of the good students in your class. Am I right? Are you one of the good students there in the class? You are being modest. She's not saying yes, she's being modest. No, I don't know. I'm asking if she's a good student in her class. And she's saying, I don't know. She's being modest. So when you are modest, you don't say, I am good, I am very good. You don't say that. Modest. Okay? She's being modest. Suppose Virat Kohli played a very special innings and the team won because of his innings. The commentator says, the interviewer says, Virat, what do you want to say about your innings? Oh, nothing. It's a team effort. We won. I'm very happy about our victory. What about your innings? Yeah, it was good. Yeah, that's it. He's not saying, yeah, I played so very well. The victory is because of me. He's being modest. Modest people take a lot of credit for their success or don't take credit for their success. Don't take credit for good things. ऊपर वाले ने कहा तो हो गया. Right? Right? Modest people. Right? हर चीज में अच्छाई होती है, ठीक है. जैसे रिलीजियस पीपल में एक अच्छाई होती है, वो अपने आप पे क्रेडिट नहीं लेते, कहते ना ना ऊपर वाले ने कहा, मेरी क्या होगा, ऊपर वाले ने कहा. Modest. They are modest, which is a good quality. Because if you're not modest, you will become arrogant. I am very special. Arrogant. Opposite of modest? arrogant. It is a good quality, being arrogant? No, don't be arrogant. Be modest. People like modest people. Human beings like modest people. Do you like arrogant people or modest people? Modest but confident. Modest but confident. Do not confuse confidence and arrogance. They are two different things. Confidence that, yes, I can be successful. Yes, I will maintain my success. That is confidence. But arrogance is, nobody can be as good as me. Why? Why can't they? If you are a human, they are a human, why can't they be like you? Have you ever heard Sachin Tendulkar saying, nobody will break my records? He never said that. He said, records are meant to be broken. I made the record, somebody will come and break them. He's being modest, right?
Modest.
The fact is, nobody has broken his records yet. Okay? 100 centuries, guys. He has 100 international centuries. No player has 100 international centuries till date. Okay, but when you talk to him, when you watch his interviews, oh, records are meant to be broken. He's very modest. Successful people are normally modest, but a little successful people are arrogant. Really successful people are not arrogant. चलो ये चीज यहां नहीं थी, लेकिन मजा आया। बस इन्वॉल्व रहना मेरे साथ। ये मत करना कि हम बैठे हुए रहेंगे, आप बोलते रहिए, हम आपके साथ देखते रहेंगे, हम सोचेंगे हाँ वो कल रात में मैसेज की थी, हाँ उसको जवाब देना भूल गया है। ये मत करना, यहीं रहना मेरे साथ, मेरी बात पे। ओके, यस, नेक्स्ट। So Babar teaches them everything that he learns. आप लोग चाहे तो घर पे एक सेंटेंस लिख सकते हैं, एवरीथिंग दैट, एवरीथिंग दैट। A very rich person, an arrogant person approaches a girl and says, marry me. I will buy you everything that you want. I will buy you everything that you want. No worries. I will buy you everything that you want. Do you think the girl will marry him? Depends. If that girl likes that kind of guy, she'll say, okay. But I think some girls in this classroom will say, no, I will not marry a guy who will say, marry me, I will buy you everything that you want. But this girl will say yes. I'm telling you. You will say yes. And you know what she will say first thing? Chocolate. Shame on you. For chocolate, you will get married. Okay. He teaches everything that he learns. More and more children want to learn. More and more children want to learn. More and more children want to learn. In Hindi, we will say, well, okay, लेकिन तुम समझ नहीं पाए होगे. What does it mean? ज्यादा से ज्यादा लड़के पढ़ना चाहते हैं. More and more children want to learn. क्या समझो? Let me say it this way. बच्चे जो उससे पढ़ना चाहते हैं, उनकी संख्या बढ़ती ही जा रही है. अभी जो मैंने बोला और तुमने जो बोला, सुनने में बिल्कुल अलग है. मैसेज ये वाला है सही, जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वही मैसेज है. लड़कों की संख्या जो उससे सीखना चाहते, उससे पढ़ना चाहते हैं, उनकी संख्या बढ़ती जा रही है. More and more children want to learn. ध्यान देना दिव्यांशु बेटा. More and more children want to learn. अच्छा, चलिए. ऐसे लड़कियों की संख्या बढ़ रही है जो जॉब करना चाहते हैं, या घट रही है? बढ़ रही है. If you go 100 years back, you will not find any women who went to work. They've all stayed at home. 100 years ago, all women stayed at home. They did a little bit agriculture work, okay? But nobody worked with men in the shop. Nobody worked with men in hospitals. Nah, they stayed at home, okay? more and more women want to get a job today. ऐसे लड़कों लड़कियों की संख्या बढ़ रही है जो स्कूल जाना चाहती है, घट रही है?
बढ़
बढ़
रही
रही
है।
है ना? More and more daughters or girls want to go to school. More and more girls want to go to school.
स्कूल।
ये और अभी ऐसे लोगों की संख्या बढ़ रही है जो एसटीसी विद्याश्रम में पढ़ाई करना चाहते हैं। हाँ, बढ़ रही है। उनके मैसेज पहुंच रहा है, बड़ा अच्छा चल रहा है वहां। कैसे बोलेंगे? मोर एंड मोर पेरेंट्स want to send their children to STC Vidyashram. More and more parents want to send their children to STC Vidyashram. बढ़ती जा रही है। The number is increasing. All right? अब ऐसे में क्या होगा? You will need more teachers. Babar alone cannot teach them. Babar alone cannot teach them all because the number is increasing. So, Babar's friends help him teach. Babar's friends help him teach. Monu, you are still sleepy. You're still sleepy. Maybe I have a solution. I have a hack. Okay. Go outside and just jump up and down 10 times, really up, as high as you can. Okay. Jump high and come down, jump high and come down 10 times and come here. You will not be sleepy. But you have to do it very fast. Maybe in 10 seconds, 10 times, or 5 seconds, 10 times. Jump up and down, as high as you can. And your body will forget about sleeping. You'll come here and enjoy learning. You splashed water on your face. It didn't help because you are still sleepy. But you look sleepy to me. Okay? He looks sleepy to me.
तो
He looks sleepy. हर चीज से लैंग्वेज सीखने को मिल गया क्या? आप ठीक है। मुझे तो तुम लग रहा है कि तुमको
नींद आ
यू
रही।
लुक स्लीपी टू
स्लीपी।
मी। तुम मुझे खुश दिख रहे हो तो
यू
यू
लुक
लुक
हैप्पी टू
हैप्पी
मी।
टू मी। यू लुक स्लीपी टू मी। स्लीपी और हैप्पी एक दूसरे को रिप्लेस किया ना? तभी एक वर्ड दूसरे को रिप्लेस करता है जब वो उसी कैटेगरी का होता है। शादी करवा रहे हैं, पंडित जी को आ गया ये, तो पंडित जी चले गए तो दूसरा पंडित जी बैठेंगे ना वहां पे। ठीक है? बात समझ में आ रही है? अगर वो मैं जातीयता में यकीन नहीं करता, बट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग दिस एग्जांपल ओनली टू convey my point that nothing else, so don't take me seriously. मान लो पैर में आलता लगाने वाले को अचानक से सुसु आ गए, तो ही विल गो, तो कोई और आलता लगा, पंडित जी नहीं आएंगे आलता लगाने पक्का। वो नहीं बोलेंगे मेरा काम नहीं है ये। ऑलराइट, my point is words have categories, nouns, verbs, adjectives. Understand? One word can be replaced by another word of the same category. तो हैप्पी एडजेक्टिव है कि नहीं? हैप्पी एडजेक्टिव है? एडजेक्टिव नहीं
यस।
समझते हो? एडजेक्टिव
जो क्वालिटी बताता हूँ।
मैं बता देता हूं। जो नाउन के पहले या बाद में आकर नाउन के बारे में कुछ बताए, नाउन के बारे में कुछ बताए, विशेषता वर्ड हटा दो, नाउन के बारे में कुछ भी बताए। जैसे क्लासरूम इज बिग। क्लासरूम इज बिग। बिग क्या है?
जी।
क्लासरूम के बारे में बताया ना?
एडजेक्टिव।
बिग इज एडजेक्टिव। द क्लासरूम इज स्मॉल।
स्मॉल इज एडजेक्टिव।
द क्लासरूम इज क्राउडेड।
क्राउडेड इज एडजेक्टिव।
तो students are happy. Understand?
हैप्पी।
The students are happy. And Monu is sleepy. Sleepy is also an adjective.
एडजेक्टिव।
भाई कल कर देंगे, हमको बहुत नींद आ रहा है। I will do it tomorrow. I am very sleepy. बोल दो, I'm very sleepy. To speak English is very easy. All you need is approach it the right way. सो अभी सीख के बोलना। ये लाइन कभी बोला था तुमने? आई एम वेरी स्लीपी, जबकि स्लीप तक तो तुम पहुंचे हुए थे। यू गाइज न्यू द वर्ड स्लीप ना? मैंने क्या करा, उसमें वाई लगा के एक एडजेक्टिव बनाया, स्लीपी। मोनू इज स्लीपी बट ही इज सेइंग ही इज नॉट स्लीपी। यू आर नॉट स्लीपी बट यू लुक स्लीपी टू मी। यू आर सेइंग यू आर नॉट स्लीपी बट यू लुक स्लीपी टू मी। अब ये भी समझ में आ रहा होगा। ही इज सेइंग ही इज नॉट स्लीपी but I
Okay.
think he's sleepy. He looks sleepy to me. Okay, fine. Let's move on. Babar's friends help him. Babar's friends help him teach. Babar's friends help him teach. Babar's friends help him. Him किसके लिए भाई? बाबर. Babar's friends help him.
Subject.
बाबर के दोस्त उसकी मदद करते हैं क्या करने में? पढ़ाने में के लिए क्या इंग्लिश लिखा हुआ? बस उससे हो गया?
Is
हाँ जी हो गया। यही सब गौर करना है तुम्हारी नजरें खोल करके। पढ़ाने में खाली टीच से हो गया तो सब जगह नहीं होगा, यहां हुआ है, यही होगा। बोलो। बाबर्स फ्रेंड्स हेल्प हिम। अब बोलो सर की वाइफ मदद करती हैं सर को। सरस वाइफ हेल्प्स हिम पढ़ाने में, ठीक है, स्कूल चलाने में। रन द स्कूल। रन द स्कूल, रन मतलब चलाना होता है। सरस वाइफ हेल्प्स हिम
help him
रन द
run this.
स्कूल। राइट। मैं अपनी मम्मी की मदद करता हूँ।
I
आई हेल्प माई
help
आई हेल्प माई मदर कपड़े धोने में। क्वेश्चन नहीं था वहां, टीच था।
was here.
टू भी नहीं था। टू नहीं है। यस। माई आई हेल्प माई मदर। आई हेल्प माई मदर यहां से सीखा हमने। अब मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ, आपने जो टू बोला ना टू के साथ, अब सही थे। इंग्लिश में कभी कभी दो ऑप्शंस होते हैं एक ही बात को बोलने के, दो तरीके। सुनिएगा। आई हेल्प माई मदर वॉश द क्लोथ्स। आई हेल्प माई मदर टू वॉश द क्लोथ्स। ओके, ध्यान रखिए इस बात पे। आई हेल्प माई मदर वॉश द क्लोथ्स, आई हेल्प माई मदर टू वॉश द क्लोथ्स। ये दोनों पॉसिबल है, लेकिन ये कोई इटर्नल रूल नहीं है कि हर जगह होता रहेगा। सिर्फ हेल्प की बात आएगी तो हो सकता है ये किसकी बात आएगी तो होगा? बोलिए ना।
Help.
हम पापा की मदद करते हैं क्या करने में? पापा की मदद क्या करने में करते हैं? गाड़ी धोने में मदद कर देते हैं। चलिए बोलिए। आई
I
हेल्प माई
help my
फादर
father to wash
वॉश द
the
कार। आई हेल्प माई फादर टू वॉश द कार। ये अपनी मम्मी की मदद नहीं करती है खाना बनाने में। शी डजंट हेल्प हर
help
मदर
him wash
टू कुक और ओनली कुक।
only.
दोनों ही सही है। सिर्फ हेल्प के मामले में ऐसा कर सकते हैं आप, और किसी जगह नहीं ऐसा कर सकते, सिर्फ हेल्प के मामले में। यस बेटा, बोलिए ना। हम हैं जो आपने शेयर किया। एक और हो गया। दिव्यांशु भी सोने लगा। ये सारे बच्चे अभी ये इनका सोना, मैं आपको एक अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताता हूँ। इनका सोना सिर्फ एक बात बताता है। क्या? इस
समझ
भाषा के
नहीं आया.
साथ ये बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल। जिस भाषा के साथ आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं होंगे, वो भाषा सुनने पे मजबूर किया जाएगा एसी में बैठा के, आपको पक्का नींद आएगी। ठीक है सर। मौसम अच्छा लगता है, अंदर अंदर ठंडा ठंडा, और ऐसी आवाज सुन रहे जो समझ में, तो बस नींद तो पक्का आनी है। तो मैं आपको बताऊं, मैं टेंशन नहीं लेता, उसकी वजह बताओ। मीट माई स्टूडेंट इनाया, शी इज 8 years old, शी कम्स इन दी 7 o'clock क्लास। शी वॉज योर क्लासमेट। शुरू में सो जाती थी ना, अभी कितने दिन हुए उसको सोए मुझे याद नहीं। ओके, तो आई हैव लर्न दिस इन माई जॉब, that initially sometimes for some students things are difficult, but as things get easier and easier they start to enjoy the class more. So Divyanshu beta, come a little bit this way, here, yep, with the chair more, yep. दिव्यांशु अपनी मम्मी की मदद करता है सब्जी काटने में। दिव्यांशु
So
helps
help
his mother। कटिंग नहीं आना था।
chop
कट या टू कट,
vegetable.
दोनों ऑप्शन बताया मैंने। cut the vegetables, right? Or to cut the vegetables. Any problems? No. Where is he? Shubhankar helps me, make the books. He helps me make the books. Shubhankar helps me make the books. समझ में आ ही गया? Right? Shubhankar helps me. But Divya doesn't help me. She doesn't help me. She doesn't help me with anything. I say to her, bring me a glass of water. She says, and she leaves. She just doesn't respect me at all. She doesn't respect me at all. At all, negative. Yeah, yeah, she doesn't. She always plans only one thing in her head. How can I kill this person? I don't know why she hates me so much. I don't know. But she hates me so much. But you should always remember I have a wife, I have a daughter. If you kill me, who will take care of them? The classes are in bamboo huts. The classes are in bamboo huts.
बम
Bamboo huts. बांस की झोपड़ियां, राइट? अब यहाँ की के लिए कोई वर्ड नहीं, ध्यान देना. The classes are in bamboo huts. The classes are in bamboo huts. Yes. But sometimes they sit outdoors. They sit, they who? The students.
बाबर अली
Students of Babar Ali. The students of Babar Ali. Sometimes they sit outdoors. Outdoor nahi hai, outdoors. S is very important. Sometimes they sit outdoors. We always study indoors. We don't study outdoors. Okay. But let's practice some more. In villages, people can sleep outdoors, right? It is safe. But in a town, if you sleep outdoors, you never know. If you're wearing a ring or, sorry, a necklace or chain and you sleep outdoors, it will be gone. Maybe with your neck, who knows? Okay. Outdoors, sleep outdoors, play outdoors. Are you allowed to play outdoors? Okay. In the past, women were not allowed to go outdoors without their husbands or a male company, right? But now, sab changas, they can go outdoors without a male company, right? Thanks to electricity bulbs. है ना जी? Bulbs की वजह से हुआ ना ऐसा? Of course, yaar. Bulbs have played a role because of bulbs, nights are lighted, bright, so people don't feel scared. In the daytime, it's easy to go outside. But at night, girls and women go outside or outdoors alone only because of the night bulbs, yeah. Hello. Yes. Good evening. Mm-hmm. Sort of for spoken English. Okay. Where are you? Yes. Where are you right now? So you can come to the class, no problems. हाँ, of course. ठीक. All right. The classes are in bamboo huts, but sometimes they sit. Okay. Women don't sleep outdoors. Women don't sleep outdoors. Right. Next. The school is free. The school is free and now has a name. And now the school has a name. The Anand Shiksha Niketan School. What is the name of the school?
आनंद शिक्षण
The Anand Shiksha Niketan School. And Babar is the head teacher. Anand Shiksha Niketan. In Maharashtra, sorry, in Bengal, a lot of things have names Anand, 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 because of Rabindranath Tagore and Vivekanand and all. Yes. Okay. Vivekanand's name was Vivek Anand, yes, but mostly the buildings are called Anand Niketan and Anand this because of, what did I say? Whose name did I mention? Rabindranath Tagore. Yes. I think the building he lived in was called What building did he live in? I don't remember. These two are very, very, I will say, famous names from Bengal, West Bengal. Rabindranath Tagore and Swami Vivekanand. These two are very, very great names from the land of West Bengal. Babar is the head teacher. Busy days. Babar's days are very busy. Babar's days are very busy.
very
He has
busy.
no free time. His days are very busy. My nights are very busy. Now, I just sleep at night. My nights are not busy. Okay. But my mornings are very busy. My evenings are very busy. Actually, my days are also very busy. Okay. But my Sundays are not busy at all. My Sundays are not busy. Housewives' mornings are busy. Housewives' mornings are busy. जो हाउसवाइफ होती है ना बहुत ज्यादा बिजी होती है सुबह में. कैसे बोल रहे हैं? Housewives' mornings are very busy. It means housewives are busy in the morning. What about
Morning.
you? What about you? Sir, my mornings are very busy, sir. Sir, my evenings are very busy. Sir, I am free all the time. Okay. Sir, my Sundays are very busy, like that. I hope you understand. Babar's days are very busy. वैल्यू करिए, वर्ड ऑर्डर को वैल्यू करिए. हम लोग ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं. हम लोग ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे कि बाबर के दिन बहुत बिजी हैं. बाबर के दिन बिजी है कि बाबर बिजी है? बाबर बिजी है. लेकिन यहाँ क्या लिखा है? बाबर्स डेज आर वेरी बिजी. गलत लिखा है क्या? नहीं, इसका ये मतलब है बाबर्स डेज आर वेरी बिजी. इट मीन्स बाबर इज वेरी बिजी. He has no free time. He gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning. He gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning and helps his mother with the housework. He helps his mother with the housework. अभी कुछ पढ़े, अभी फिर कुछ पढ़ रहे हैं. इससे कहते हैं दिमाग का खुलना. अभी क्या पढ़े थे? He helps. Babar's friends help him teach. हिंदी में हुआ
Yes.
पढ़ाने में मदद करते हैं. राइट? शुभांकर भी मेरी मदद करता है ना क्या करने में? बोलिएगा. शुभांकर helps me make the books. Right? अभी इसी बात को मैं ऐसे बोलता हूँ. शुभांकर helps me with the books. He helps me. हो गया. यानी जो भी मदद चाहिए होता है किताब वगैरह में वो कर देता है. He helps me with the books. With the books मतलब with making the books. He helps me with the books. And Babar Ali helps his mother with the housework. He helps his mother with the he helps his mother with the housework. He helps his mother with the housework. At 8 o'clock, with the housework, घर के काम में मदद कर देता है. घर के काम में. अच्छा, विद लिखा है. विद मतलब में कभी पढ़ा हम लोगों ने? पढ़ा है क्या? लेकिन हिंदी करिएगा. He helps his mother with the housework. वो अपनी मम्मी की मदद करता है घर के कामों में, है ना? कामों में प्लूरल वर्क्स लिखा है क्या? लेकिन हिंदी में हम लोग बोलते हैं ना घर के कामों में. इंग्लिश में हाउसवर्क. यही सब कंपैरिजन करना. आपको आंखें खोलिए बच्चों. आपको कोई ऐसा टीचर नहीं चाहिए जो हर चीज आपको बताए. आपकी नजर खोली होगी, आप इतना कुछ सीखोगे. मैं आपको सही डायरेक्शन में लेके चल रहा हूँ. आप बहुत कुछ देखने को. आंख बंद करके मत बोलिए सर डिस्क्राइब करो क्या दिख रहा है सामने. आप आंखें खोल लो, दिख जाएगा आपको. लुक, ही हेल्प्स हिज मदर विद द हिंदी. राइट. कभी भी वर्क्स नहीं बोलना. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ हाउस वर्क. मेरे को बहुत से घर के काम है. मेरे को बहुत होमवर्क दिया है सर ने. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क. नॉट होमवर्क मत कर देना. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क मत करना. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क. सो ही हेल्प्स हिज मदर विद द हाउस वर्क. किचन के काम में ये मदद करती है मम्मी की. शी हेल्प्स हर मदर with the kitchen work. She helps her mother with the kitchen work. और सुनिएगा, She helps her mother with the cooking. She helps her mother with the cooking.
Okay.
Do you help your mom with the cooking? Yeah, she does. She does. She helps her mother with the cooking. यहाँ विद जो बोल रहे, कोई लॉजिक बनता है विद बोलने का? कोई रीजन है विद बोलने का? हम लोग हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? किचन में मदद करते, खाना बनाने में मदद करते, विद क्यों बोलेंगे हम लोग? तो सवाल ये है कि तुम हिंदी सीख रहे हो कि इंग्लिश? तो हिंदी में तुम मैं बोलो, चाहे माँ बोलो, चाहे मो बोलो, मैटर। तुम्हें वो सीखना पड़ेगा जो अंग्रेज बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में। इंग्लिश किसकी भाषा है? तो भाषा उनकी, तो वो सीखो जो वो बोलते हैं, और वो यहाँ लिखा है। तो आगे बोलना। सर की वाइफ मदद करती है स्कूल वर्क के काम वगैरह में। सर वाइफ हेल्प्स हिम विद द स्कूल, राइट? आप जो होमवर्क करने जाते हो घर पे, उसमें आपकी कोई मदद करता है, तो आप कैसे बोलेंगे? XYZ हेल्प्स मी विद माय होमवर्क। ये इंग्लिश अजीब है, लेकिन ये करेक्ट इंग्लिश है। अजीब किस एंगल से? हिंदी के एंगल से अजीब, लेकिन बहुत सी इंग्लिश हिंदी के हिसाब से अजीब होगी। आप बोलो, आई एम अफ्रेड ऑफ डॉग्स। बोलो, आई एम अफ्रेड ऑफ कॉकरोचेस। बोलो, आई एम अफ्रेड ऑफ डॉग्स। हिंदी में क्या बोलोगे? मुझे कुत्तों से का इंग्लिश ऑफ होता है? पढ़े हो बचपन से आज तक? ऑफ मतलब क्या पढ़े हो? तो बोलो, कुत्तों का डर होता है। जबकि क्या बोलते हैं आप? मैं कुत्तों से बहुत डरता हूं। आई एम वेरी अफ्रेड ऑफ। आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ यू। आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ यू। डू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू। पापा को बोला आपने, उसके बाद जो होगा सो होगा। बोलिए, आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ यू। मुझे आपसे, आर यू
डर
अफ्रेड ऑफ
नहीं
मी?
है।
शी इज अफ्रेड ऑफ मी। आर यू अफ्रेड ऑफ मी? देखो देखो चेहरा देखो, देखा ना? यू, संध्या, you're not afraid of me. After what happened at school, you're not afraid of me. Acha, I have to do something more. I have to raise the temperature. Today, I took her to the torture room. Okay, but she's not afraid of me. Still not afraid of me. Okay. देखा, यहाँ ऑफ का कोई रीजन बनता है? तो प्रीपोजिशंस में लॉजिक मत ढूंढने जाना कभी। एक्सेप्ट कर लेना अगर वो सही सोर्स से आ रहा है तो। डू यू ट्रस्ट दिस सोर्स? स्टे विद दैट प्रीपोजिशन इवन इफ इट डजंट मेक सेंस। आदत बना लो उसकी, किसी दिन बहुत काम आ जाएगा। सो ही हेल्प्स हिज मदर विद द हाउसवर्क।
Housework.
At 8 o'clock, he goes by bus. At 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock. 8 बजे. At 8 o'clock. He goes. बचपन में तुम्हारे क्लास में हो सकता है तुमको रटवाया जाएगा, टाइम के पहले एट लगाना है, टाइम के पहले एट लगाना है, ऐसे करके, है ना? मैं मुझे अच्छे से पता है कौन कहाँ कैसे पढ़ाते होंगे लोग, ठीक है? लेकिन सिर्फ यही बोलूंगा, एट 8 o'clock, ताकि तुम्हारे कान को जाए। एट 8 o'clock, एट 10 o'clock, एट 7 o'clock, और तुम्हारी आदत बन जाएगी क्या बोलने की। और मैं ये रूल नहीं बोलूंगा कि घड़ी के टाइम के पहले एट लगाते, मैं बोलूंगा नहीं मुंह से। क्यों बोलूं? तुम्हारा दिमाग नहीं गौर कर रहा है क्या कि सर बार बार बोल रहे हैं एट 7 o'clock, एट 6 o'clock? तो वही पट्टी बांध के चीजों को एक्सप्लेन करना चाहिए। पट्टी खोल दो, तुम खुद देख लो। मेरा जितना भी डिस्क्रिप्शन आएगा उससे बेहतर तुम देख पाओगे। At 8 o'clock, he goes by bus. He goes by to his school, to his 3 miles away. He goes to school 3 miles away. How does he go to school? By bus. How far is the school? And how far is the oil rig from the coast of Aberdeen? The oil rig is 440 kilometers from the coast of, and his school, Babar's school, is 3 miles away from his village. And Patna is 80, 90, 75, whatever, I don't care about the number, kilometers away from Bihar Sharif. Any problems? Okay. His school is 3 miles away. His school is, and he goes to school by bus. He studies hard all day. He studies hard all day. He studies hard all day until 4 in the afternoon. He studies hard. He studies, कड़ा पढ़ाई
हाँ।
करता है, कड़ी पढ़ाई करता है। बोलो हिंदी। बहुत जरूरी है जंग निकालना दिमाग से, क्योंकि तुमने जब भी पढ़ा था ही वर्क्स हार्ड, तुमने क्या कहा? कड़ी मेहनत करता है, राइट? जब भी तुमने हार्ड देखा, तुमने यही बोला, ही वर्क्स हार्ड, वो कड़ी मेहनत करता है, यही बोल दिया तुमने। अभी मैंने कहा ही स्टडीज हार्ड, बोलो कड़ी पढ़ाई करता है, यही करो बोलोगे? कभी बोला आज तक कड़ी पढ़ाई करना? क्या बोलते हो? मन लगा के पढ़ाई। अरे कहाँ भूल गए अपनी हिंदी? कहाँ छोड़ के आ गए हो? क्या बोलते हो? मन लगा के पढ़ाई करना। ही स्टडीज हार्ड, मन लगा के पढ़ता है। बच्चा था, आज से कोई 15 साल 14 साल पहले, ही केम टू माई क्लास। ही वॉज 21 22 या 20 years old that back then, and he said to me, सर मेरा पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लगता। मन का इंग्लिश तो मैंने ढूंढ लिया है, साइकी। लगना का नहीं समझ में आ रहा, आप जरा बता दीजिए ना क्या कैसे होगा। ने कहा किसी दिन तू भी ढूंढ लेगा जा। I was so blown away by his stupidity, you know, that he said, मेरा पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लगता। एंड ही इज थिंकिंग ऑफ साइकी। साइकी मतलब मन। साइकी एक वर्ड है जो आपके ख्यालात के बारे में, जो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, जैसे ख्याल कहाँ है, आपके मन में उसके लिए नफरत है, यानी अंदर में कुछ फीलिंग है ऐसी, राइट? बस यही है ना मन मतलब। तो एक इंग्लिश में वर्ड है साइक। साइकी नहीं, साइक। उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन बुरा था, आज तक मेरे दिमाग में वो जो बोला आज तक बैठा हुआ है, इतने साल पहले। टुडे ही इज अ टीचर बाय द वे, टीचर ऑफ इंग्लिश। ही टीचर्स एट ए गवर्नमेंट स्कूल, ओके। अभी सिखा रहा होगा साइकी मतलब मन। भाग गया।
मन।
He left my class. Okay. He didn't trust me. When I was younger, I looked much younger. Right now, I'm 46 and I look fine, you know. But when I was 35, 33, I looked like 23. So people didn't take me very seriously. They thought, हाँ, नहीं जानता का, जवान है, you know. So it was their problem, not my problem, okay. I laughed at that because I, I don't enjoy studying. I'm not very interested in studies. I don't enjoy studying. So these are the sentences English people will say when they want to say, मेरा इस चीज में मन नहीं लगता है. But this guy was looking for मन separately, लगना separately. तो फिर मैं बोलूंगा भूख लगना, भूख हंगर लगना। भूख का इंग्लिश हंगर। सर मम्मी भूख लगी है, क्या बोलना चाहिए? I'm hungry. I am hungry. I'm starving means I'm very, very, very hungry. Okay. It's a more emphatic way of saying the same thing. I am starving. I'm starving. It means I'm very, very hungry. Mom, I'm starving. Okay. So just suddenly I thought of these things. आप लोगों को सोचते चलना है साथ में. He goes to school 3 miles away. He studies hard all day. खूब मन लगा के पढ़ता है. He studies hard all day. So आप घर जाके बोलना, मॉम I study really hard in the class. I study really hard in the class. मतलब
मैं
महेंद्र सिंह
मन लगा।
धोनी runs hard between the wickets. He runs hard between the wickets. मतलब खूब जबरदस्त दौड़ते हैं, पूरा अपना झोंक देते हैं. Have you noticed that? महेंद्र सिंह धोनी. He runs really hard between the wickets. अच्छा, there are two things. He runs fast and he runs hard. He runs fast means तेज दौड़ते हैं. But he runs hard means whatever he has, he just puts there. Okay? जितना क्षमता है वो डाल देते हैं. Got it? Hello? Where are you? तो ऊपर आ जाइए ना बेटा. हाँ ऊपर आ जाइए. अब हम लोग सबसे ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे हैं, पता है ना आपको? जिसमें आइए आइए. उम्मीद करता हूँ आप जान रहे होंगे. आ जाइए ऊपर. तो गाइस, ही रन्स हार्ड एंड ही रन्स फास्ट, दोनों में एक फर्क है. ही रन्स हार्ड एंड ही रन्स फास्ट. यस, ही रन्स हार्ड एंड ही रन्स फास्ट. गिव मी अ सेकंड, आई विल बी राइट बैक. Saurabh is very nervous. Saurabh, are you nervous? Are you sure? Okay. So you are disinterested. Then you are interested. Are you sure? Okay. Well, yeah, let's continue for 15 minutes. Um, study is hard. Yeah, run hard and run fast. Run hard means whatever energy you have, you put in there. Okay? That's running hard. Studying hard means whatever energy you have, you put in there. Right? Work hard. Whatever energy you have, you put in there. Think hard. All right? Yeah, all that you have, you put in there. Think hard. Okay? So hard suggests that you are making your best efforts. Hard means here you are making your best efforts. You are making your best efforts. आप अपने तरफ से पूरा कर रहे कोशिश, राइट? यू आर मेकिंग योर बेस्ट एफर्ट्स. आपको पता भी नहीं चला, मैंने एक एक्सप्रेशन सिखाया आपको, मेक एफर्ट्स मतलब कोशिश करना. ठीक है? डू एफर्ट्स नहीं. और वो हो गया सबकॉन्शियसली, आपके दिमाग में जाके बैठ गया था थोड़ा सा, 2-4%. लैंग्वेज डाउनलोड होती है, ठीक है, धीरे धीरे करके. तो 1-2% जाके बैठा था मेक एफर्ट्स. 2-4 बार और बोलते ना, वो 60-70% पे चला जाता डाउनलोड, और फिर आपके मुंह से निकलने लग जाता वो मेक एफर्ट्स. ही इज नॉट मेकिंग एनी. हाँ, ट्राई ही नहीं कर रहा है. ही इज नॉट मेकिंग, दिस गर्ल इज नॉट मेकिंग एनी एफर्ट्स, राइट? ओके. दिव्या, आर यू मेकिंग एफर्ट्स to kill me? All right. So he studies hard all day. He studies hard all day. He studies hard all day. Saurabh, he studies hard. We are talking about a character here. He studies hard all day until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. He studies hard until 4 o'clock. Until 4 o'clock. He studies hard until what time does he leave school? What time does he leave school? 1 p.m. or 4 p.m.? Remember? Yesterday we had a sentence. Okay. He studies hard until 4 in the afternoon. He studies hard until 4. He studies hard until, when does he stop? When does he stop? At 4 o'clock. He stops at 4. He studies hard until 4. He stops at 4. His school finishes at 4 o'clock. Okay. And then he travels back to his village. Then he travels back to his village. He travels back to his village. And at 5 o'clock, he begins the classes. He travels back to his village. Oh, he travels back to his village. And at 5 o'clock, he begins the classes. He teaches English, Bengali, कौन सी गाली? History
बंगाली.
and maths. कहता ना, नाम में गाली, लेकिन भाषा कितनी मधुर होती है. It's such a sweet language. बट नाम में क्या है? गाली, बंगाली. Okay, नाम में गाली और फिर भी इतनी sweet language. Have you heard Bengali, guys? It sounds so sweet. আমি জল খাবো. भीषण, क्या बोले? Gormi. Gormi. You know a little bit Bengali because your sister lives there. She uses a little bit of Bengali, I guess. Yeah. He teaches English, Bengali, history, and maths until 8 in the evening. He teaches until 8. He starts at 5 o'clock and he teaches until, I teach you until
4.
I teach you until 5:30. I teach you until, Babar Ali teaches until 8
5.
o'clock, right? He studies until 4 o'clock. You go to school, you study until, you go to school, You go to school. Anybody who goes to school, college, tell me, you study until? You study
Yes.
until 11:30, 11:20. You study until 11:20. You study until 11:20. कितने बजे छुट्टी है? क्लास में छुट्टी होती है, स्कूल में छुट्टी होती है 11:20, right? So you study until 11:20. Shubhankar, you got it wrong, beta. You said 6 o'clock. He starts at 4 o'clock and teaches until 8 o'clock. Connection बनाओ दिमाग में, क्या पढ़ रहे हो? He starts at 4 o'clock and he teaches, oh, sorry, 5 o'clock. He starts at 5 o'clock and teaches until 8 o'clock. You go to school at 6:15, right? And you study there until 11:20. I teach you until, right. इस लाइन को तोड़ता हूं थोड़ा सा. I teach you until 5:30. इसका मतलब 5:15 में मैं क्या कर रहा होता हूं? आपको पढ़ा रहा होता हूं. 5 बजे क्या कर रहा होता हूं? 5:05 में क्या कर रहा होता हूं? बंद कब करता हूं? इट मीन्स आई टीच यू अंटिल. तो जब भी ये सेंटेंस बोलना, हिंदी खाली मत सोचना, उसको ऐसे तोड़ के देखना फिट होता है कि नहीं. सुनो, in the summer season, the students in the hostel go to sleep in the afternoon at about 2, 2:15, 2:30. They go to sleep and they sleep until 3 o'clock. They sleep until 3 o'clock. It means when do they stop sleeping? At 3. At 3 they stop sleeping, right? Until 3 they sleep. Until 3 they sleep until 3. They sleep until 3. Got it? It means they stop sleeping at 3 o'clock. Got it? I hope you understand. इसमें हमेशा until वाले में stop word का ध्यान रखना थोड़ा सा. Babar Ali goes to school at 8 in the morning and studies at school until 4. It means he stops studying at 4. He starts teaching tuition classes at 5 o'clock. And he teaches until 8 o'clock. He stops at 8 o'clock. He says, I love teaching. I'm never tired. I love teaching. I'm never tired. Whenever somebody says, Bhaiya, padhaoge? Yes, yes. He's never tired. It means teaching is his passion, right? Some people love playing cricket. They are never tired. Cricket khelega? Chal, chal. In the afternoon at 2 o'clock, it's so hot outside. Cricket khelega? Chal, chal. They are never tired. Okay, Adnan, are you one of them? Are you one of those people? Are you interested in playing cricket? Not so much. Okay. What are you interested in? When you bunk classes, what do you do? What do you do when you bunk classes, when you don't come here? Play truant. बहाना मारना है स्कूल जाने के लिए, है ना? Play truant. बोल करके निकल जाना और नहीं जाना. Play truant. Play truant. Play truant. Adnan plays truant. Do you also play truant? No? It's not very common because it's not a regular thing. Children decide to come here. Everybody chooses. Her mother brought her here yesterday. She has a karate class at this time. Her karate class starts at 5 o'clock. She says to her mom, Mom, for 1 month at least, let me attend this class. Okay, then we will see. Maybe I will join the karate class or whatever happens. But please let me join. So it is her choice that she wants to be here. Nobody is forcing her to be here. So why would she play truant? So most people choose to come here. It is their choice to sit in this class. They pay a huge amount of money, 5,000 rupees, 7,000 rupees. Understand? And that's why they don't play truant. But sometimes, one or two students. Okay. I love teaching. I'm never tired. Let's see. I love dancing. I'm never tired. Okay, you're always ready to dance, always ready to play cricket, always ready to teach. always ready to do something and never tired for that thing. So guys, you have to write questions for these times. आपको सवाल लिखने हैं. क्या सवाल लिखेंगे जिसका जवाब होगा at 5 o'clock? The answer is at 5 o'clock. What is the question? 5 o'clock in the morning. 5 o'clock in the morning. Fine. We all understand. Give me a question. मैं जवाब में तो बोलूंगा at 5 o'clock. Give me a question.
When
What time?
Baba
What
will
time?
get
What
up?
time? Not in which. What time? Very
When Baba
good.
will
Come on,
get up?
everybody. आप लोग ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. It is her second class, but you guys should have said it more correctly. What time? Right. What time does he get up? He gets up नहीं. He gets up question नहीं है. S हटाओ. Does लाओ. What time? Beta, what time
He
does he
gets up.
get up? What time does he get up? The answer is at 5 o'clock. He gets up at 5 o'clock. Okay. Next, beta. The next answer is at 8 o'clock in the morning. At 8 o'clock in the morning. What's the question? What time? Very good. आधा सीख गई. इस बार does बोली वो. बोलो, come on. What time does he? Goes नहीं बोलना इस बार. S हटता है, उसी के बदले does आता है. What time does he go to school? What time does he go to school? What time does he go to school? Got it, everyone? What time does he go to school? Okay. Next. The answer is at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What's the question? What's the question? At 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
What does he study hard?
Come on. The answer is at 4 o'clock. Very good. The answer is at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What's the question? What time does his school close? What time does his school close? Very good, very nice. और बताओ भाई, ये तो मत बोलना study hard, क्योंकि what time does he study hard? इसका जवाब है 4 o'clock. He starts at 8 in the morning when he goes to school, right? And studies hard all day. He studies hard. तो 4 o'clock तो इसका आंसर नहीं है. तो मैंने कहा at 4 o'clock is the answer. What should be the question? What time does his school finish? What time does his school close? Understand? What time does he stop studying at school? What time does he stop studying at school? The answer is at 4 o'clock. Sometimes you have to think a little bit. Next question. The answer is at 5 o'clock in the evening. What's the question? You went back to the same mistake, beta. What time does he start teaching? What time does he start? And the answer is 5 o'clock. What time does he start teaching? And the answer is 5 o'clock. What time does he start teaching? And next, why are the students gone? Shabnam, Shama, and other people, they're not here?
I don't know, sir.
Yeah, I just noticed they have dropped. I don't know whether it is the internet problem or what. Okay. Last, the answer is at 8 o'clock. What is the question? The answer is at 8 o'clock. What time does he? What time does he teach? Teaching. What time does he stop? The answer is at 8 o'clock. मैंने पहले ही कहा. The answer is at 8 o'clock. So at 8 o'clock क्या होता है? He stops teaching. So what time does he stop teaching? Yeah. What time does his classes end? What time do his classes end? Does नहीं बोलना था. What time do his classes end? Classes plural. classes, plural. That's why does नहीं use करके क्या बोलेंगे? Next chapter में ज़्यादा focus. Okay. What time do his classes end? Anand Shiksha Niketan. What time does Anand Shiksha Niketan finish? And the answer is at 8 o'clock. So task is read the text again very carefully. जैसे मैंने सिखाया वैसे एक एक line बैठ के पढ़ना है. Are you going to do it? Are you going to do it? Beta, can I borrow the book from you? I will give you another. Because you are going to stay in the hostel. There are some books in the hostel, 2, 3, right? So, Beta, you take this book for home, okay? And when I give you a new book, you can return this book. All right, everybody. I'm going to see you all tomorrow. And what is your
Okay, bye.
homework?
Read
Yeah,
carefully.
read the same text. Make some sentences in the group. Okay? See ya. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.